Jai Shri Krishna Mitro. Now in this lecture we can study about the finding the number of GIs in the different types of compounds. Last time we can complete the geometrical isomerism in different compounds like alkene, nitrogen containing compound, cycloalkane, cycloalkene, spiro compound, allenes and biphenyls. Now if any one compound can show the isomerism or geometrical isomerism, then how we can calculate the number of geometrical isomers which is possible for this compound. Therefore the title is that finding the number of GI. We can only calculate the GI, geometrical isomers of the compound. First of all we can take the example. Here we can have a HCl, C double bond C, H and Cl. We can say that it is a cis form or cis isomer of the compound. Now if we can draw the structure of another isomer of this compound with respect to geometrically, therefore it is ClH, ClH, C double bond C, H and Cl, means that it is a trans form of this compound. Now if anyone can ask that if further compounds are possible for this compound with respect to geometrically, we can say that no. Both possible geometrical isomers are which cis and trans, which we can write here. Now another forms are not possible. Now if you can say that what is the number of geometrical isomer for this compound, we can say that 2. First one is that, second one is that. There is no possibility to create the third isomer with respect to this structure. Clear? Now suppose if we can have a structure like that, H C double bond C, H CH double bond C, HCl and here a Br. If we can check the symmetry of this compound, if we can check the symmetry of this compound, therefore we can say that this compound is unsymmetrical, because if you can have any plane which can pass through the middle side, there is two different parts, here a chlorine and here a bromine. Therefore we can say that the compound is unsymmetrical. If we can have a symmetrical compound, therefore we can cut into two equal halves. Here it is not possible. If you can think with respect to this, therefore also not, because here H, here Br. Therefore the compound is unsymmetrical. Now we can find this stereo centers in this compound from which the compound shows the GI. We can think about the stereo centers, or we can discuss also in the last lectures what is stereo center. Stereo center is a point from which the compound shows the geometrical isomerism. First point is this, because of the restricted rotation of pi bond and two different valencies of carbon. Here also two, one is H, second one is that. Clear? One is, we can write like that, double bond C, H, here CH, CH, Cl. It is the form of this compound. Now if you can draw, or you can see the second double bond, it is also a stereo center, because H, remaining part is this, HCl, restricted rotation and both valency of the same carbon is different. Therefore you can say that this compound shows the GI, and the stereo centers are possible for this compound is 2. Now we can check the possibilities of the isomer. Now we can check the possibilities of isomer. We can give the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the point of view of stereo center, first carbon and third carbon have a stereo center. First carbon and third carbon have a stereo center. Therefore we can think about the possibilities of stereo isomer. If suppose we can say that first is a cis form and third is also a cis form, therefore we can have one compound. We cannot draw here, but you can say that first is cis form, means that HCBr double bond C, H, and remaining part is this, and third is also in cis form. Therefore first possibility is first is cis, second is cis. Second possibility is first is trans and second is also in trans. It means trans because hydrogen is in a different side. Remaining part is this, and second part is also a trans. Therefore the second structure possible is this. Now if you can think about that, first is in a cis form and second one is in a trans form. Therefore, it is also a one possibility because both are different. Clear? And suppose if you can think about the fourth possibility, if this is in a trans form and this is in a cis form, therefore you can say that number of geometrical isomers from these compounds is 4. Clear? Because all are different. This compound is a different with respect to geometrical isomerism. This is also different and different. We can draw the 4 different structure of this compound with respect to GI. Therefore, you can say that this compound have 4 geometrical isomer. Remember, this compound is a unsymmetrical. Now, suppose the arrangement is like that. The compound is same from the point of view of arrangement. H, C double bond CH, CH double bond CH. Cl and Cl. The difference is only and only that here Br and here Cl. Now if we can cut this compound from middle, we can have 2 equal halves. Therefore, I can say that compound is a symmetrical. Compound is a symmetrical. All are same. One condition is changed. It is unsymmetrical, it is symmetrical. Now we can think about GI. First of all, you can say that it is a stereo center and it is also a stereo center. Now you can say that number of stereo center is equal to 2. If anyone can ask the question from this compound, give the number of stereo center, the answer is 2 because pi bond, different valency, different valency and one is common. Therefore, it shows this is trans. Clear? First possibility is that it is in a cis form, it is in a cis form. Second possibility is that it is trans, it is also trans. Third possibility is that it is in a cis form, it is in a trans form. Clear? Now we can draw it. It is in a cis form and it is in a trans form, means that structure is like that. Clear? It is a third possibility. First one in a cis form, second one in a trans form. Now fourth one possibility is like that. If we can have trans form here, it is HCCl double bond C, here hydrogen, here C double bond C, and it is in a cis form, means that it is cis, it is trans. First one is trans, third one is cis. Now if you can think about these two compounds, it is equal or same or identical because H, Cl, Cl double bond, H, C, Cl. Therefore, you can say that these both compounds are same. Geometry is same. Therefore, these two compounds are same. Therefore, you can say that if you can think about this possibility, it is like that. Therefore, number of geometrical isomers is equal to 3. It is the conceptual question with respect to the isomers, but don't worry, we can give the formula. You can have any compound which is symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Yes, we can decide only and only one thing. You can decide that in this compound symmetry is present or not, and you can decide the second thing is that how many stereo centers. If you can know that how many stereo centers in the compound and compound is symmetrical and unsymmetrical, therefore there is no requirement to think the possibilities or this structure because we can have a formula. But some examples which we can explain with respect to concept. Now we can calculate the number of GIs with respect to formula. Don't worry, it is very easy work to find out the GIs in any compound. We can have two information. First is symmetrical unsymmetrical, and second one is number of stereo centers. In some books, friends, the concept is that here we can say that symmetrical or unsymmetrical. In some books it is written like that same ends and different ends, but it is not true for all case. Therefore we can remember symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Clear? Now we can write down the formulas and the concept regarding to the formula. Don't worry, it is very easy. Now suppose if we can have formulas, then it is like that. For the unsymmetrical compounds, in some books it is written like different ends, but it is not exactly true in all cases. We can remember unsymmetrical and symmetrical. If unsymmetrical compound is there, then the number of Gi is equal to 2 raised to n. Very simple. The number of Gi is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is equal to number of stereocenters. We can remember only and only two things: how many number of stereocenters and compound is symmetrical or unsymmetrical. If compound is unsymmetrical and number of stereocenter is n, therefore number of Gi is equal to 2 raised to n. Very simple formula. And for symmetrical compound, in some books it is written as same ends, but it is not correctly exact for all cases. Therefore we can remember symmetrical compound. Number of Gi is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1. Compound is a symmetrical, the number of Gi is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1. What is the formula? 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1, where n is equal to same number of stereocenters, but p is equal to n by 2 if n is equal to even number, and p is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is equal to odd number. Remember always, if n is even number, then p is equal to n by 2. If n is odd number, then p is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Clear? Unsymmetrical compound, number of Gi is equal to 2 raised to n. Symmetrical compound, formula is 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1, where p is equal to n by 2 if n is equal to even, p is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is equal to odd number. Clear? Now we can take some examples. If we can have compounds like that, CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH, double bond CH, CH, double bond CH, CH3. If we can think about the geometry of this compound, it is like that. If we can cut from the center or middle, we can have two equal halves. Therefore we can say that compound is a symmetrical. Therefore you can use the formula 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1 is equal to Gi. Number of stereocenters which we can count. First, number of stereocenters is equal to 1, 2 and 3, because restricted rotation and groups are different. Now it is a very easy task for us. You can very easily understand. We can have 3 stereocenters. From this point, and from this point compound shows the Gi. Therefore number of stereocenters is equal to 3. 3 is an odd number. Therefore p is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Odd number. P is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Therefore p is equal to 2. Compound is symmetrical. Therefore the formula is 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1. Therefore 2 raised to 3 minus 1 plus 2 raised to 2 minus 1. Yes, that is p. Now we can evaluate it. We can have 6 number of Gi's for this compound. We can have 6 number of Gi's for this compound. Now next example. CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH, double bond CH, CH, double bond CH and Cl. Double bond CH and Cl. Difference is only and only that from this compound it is unsymmetrical, because if we can cut from the middle, it can have not a 2 equal halves, because here Cl, here CH3. Yes, here we can think that different ends, but not in all case. We can think about that also, but we can say that it is unsymmetrical. Number of stereocenters is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. You can check it. Clear? Therefore number of Gi is equal to, very simple, 2 raised to n. Why 2 raised to n? For unsymmetrical 2 raised to n. We can say that 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. It is a symmetrical structure, it is unsymmetrical structure. Unsymmetrical structure have always more number of isomers than symmetrical. Clear? Now if we can have the compound like that, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, Cl and Br, if you can cut the compound from middle, we can say that it is unsymmetrical. We can say that it is a unsymmetrical, because here we can have a chlorine and here we can have a bromine. If you can think about the ends, therefore ends are same, because here a CH3 and here a CH3. સેમ એન્ડ્સની રીતે જો આપણે એને કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવા જાય તો એ સિમેટ્રિકલ થાય. સેમ એન્ડ્સની રીતે તમે એને કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવા જાઓ તો તમારે ફોર્મ્યુલા આ યુઝ કરવું પડે, જે ખરેખર ખોટું છે. ઇટ ઇઝ અ રોંગ, because the compound is unsymmetrical. Same ends, but the compound or molecule is unsymmetrical. Therefore, you can use the formula according to the unsymmetrical compound. Clear? It is a very specific case. Same end, but different parts in the compound, or compound is unsymmetrical. Therefore, the formula is 2 raised to n, 2 raised to 3, therefore 8, because stereo center is equal to 3. One stereo center is that, second one is that, and third one is that. You can check it very easily. Clear? So we can say that we cannot take the GI on the basis of different and same end. We can think with the help of symmetrical and unsymmetrical compound. We can take some more examples. Now example is that single bond, double bond, Cl, single bond, double bond, single bond, Cl, double bond and single bond. Now first we can decide that it is a symmetrical or unsymmetrical. If we can cut from the middle, we can have two equal halves, because here CH, here CH, C, C, Cl, Cl, double bond and single bond. Both parts are same. Therefore you can say that compound is symmetrical. Now you can find out the number of stereo centers in this compound. It is 1, 2, 3. N is equal to 3. Means that P is equal to n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Now compound is symmetrical. Therefore the formula for the number of GI is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1. 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 3 minus 1 plus 2 raised to 2 minus 1. It is equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 1 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore 6 number of GIs is possible for this compound. Clear? Now if we can have a compound like that, CH2 CH, CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. First of all, we can decide compound is symmetrical and unsymmetrical. We can cut from the half. If we can think about the symmetry, therefore symmetry is present, because CH, 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 CH and CH2, both parts are same. Clear? Therefore compound is symmetrical. Now very important task is that how many number of stereo centers are there? How many numbers of stereo centers are there? So many students is understand that number of double bond is equal to number of stereo center. No. We can also check the second possibility, which is different groups of carbon are present on the double bonded carbon. Yes or no? We can have a 4 double bond, 1, 2, 3, 4. But number of stereo center is equal to 2, not a 4. Why? Because if you can think about that, it is C, H and H. You know that if any carbon have two same groups, therefore this double bond does not show the GI. Same thing here, CH2. Therefore this double bond also does not show the GI. This double bond and this double bond shows the GI. Therefore you can say that number of stereo centers is equal to 2. Clear? Number of double bond is not equal to always number of stereo centers. All conditions are fulfilled with respect to GI. Therefore you can say that the compounds have a number of stereo centers. Now P is equal to n by 2. Clear? Why? Because compound is symmetrical. P is equal to n by 2. Here n is equal to even number. Therefore P is equal to n by 2. P is equal to 1. GI number of gi is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1. Yes, here not a n plus 1 by 2, here n by 2 directly, because n is equal to even number. Clear? You can remember all formulas, you can practice it, you can practice maximum times. It is a very easy thing. 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1, 2 raised to 2 minus 1 plus 2 raised to 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 0 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Number of geometrical isomers possible for this compound is 3. Clear? Now if we can have the compound like that, double bond, single bond, Br, double bond, single bond, Br, double bond, single bond, double bond. If we can think about the symmetry, if you can cut from the half, it can have two different parts, because here CH, here CBr, it is two different parts, not equal parts. If you can think about that, it is unsymmetrical compound. If we can think about that, it is unsymmetrical compound. Now we can think about stereo center. Double bond is 4, but stereo center is 2. Number of double bond is 4, but number of stereo center is 2. Why? Because it is CH2. CH2. It is also a CH2. It is same. It is same. Therefore, these double bonds are not a stereo center. These and these two are the stereo centers. Now, according to the GI formula, number of GI for unsymmetrical compound is 2 raised to n. N is equal to 2, means 2 raised to 2, 4. 4 geometrical isomers are possible for this compound. Clear? Next one, HCCl, C double bond C, C double bond C, HCH double bond C, H and Br. Very easy. You can say that this part is a alene. This part is a alene. But this and this double bond does not show the GI, because even number of double bonds. In alene, if we can have even number of double bonds, therefore it does not show the GI. Therefore we cannot think with respect to these two double bonds, because xy plane, yz plane, you can know that same areal distance, no geometrical isomerism is possible for the even number of double bonds in alene. Therefore this part does not show the GI. Compound is unsymmetrical, obviously, because if you can cut from half, there is two different parts which we can say, which you can show here. Clear? Stereo center is equal to 1, because this double bond shows the GI. CH and Br, this is different. H and Br are different. Here we can say that it is C, it is H. These two parts are also different. From this double bond, this compound shows the GI, and N is equal to 1. For unsymmetrical compound, number of GI is equal to 2 raised to n, n is equal to 1, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. Two geometrical isomers are possible for this compound. Next example. Example is like that. HCCl double bond C, double bond C, double bond C, HCH double bond C, H and Cl. If you can think about the compound, it is very easily detect unsymmetrical. If you can cut from halves, it gives two equal parts. Therefore it is a unsymmetrical compound. Therefore it is a unsymmetrical compound. Now if you can think about the number of stereo center, first one is that very easily different, pi bond different, H and that. It is alene. Number of double bond is even. It is xy plane, it is yz plane, and it is xy plane. Clear? Therefore this system shows the GI. Therefore this is the second stereo center. Yes or no? If even number of double bonds are there, therefore alene does not show the GI. If odd number of double bonds, consecutive double bonds are there, therefore it shows the GI. Therefore first stereo center is alene and second stereo center is this double bond. Therefore number of stereo center n is equal to 2. Therefore GI is equal to 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, because compound is unsymmetrical. Clear? Now we can think some examples from Spiro. It is like that. CH3, 4-membered ring, it is pyro. H, CS double bond CH, CH3. First we can think about the symmetry, it is unsymmetrical very easily. If we can think about the symmetry, it is unsymmetrical. Now we can think about the stereo center. In Spiro we can also say that in Spiro compounds, if number of rings are in even number 2, therefore it does not shows the GI. Means that this Spiro center does not, this Spiro rings does not shows the GI. It is XY plane, it is YZ plane. But this double bond shows the GI because H and CH3, yes, we can write like that, H and CH3, 2 different valencies. And here also 2 because H and that means that stereo center is 1. Here Spiro compound does not shows the GI, but this compound shows the GI. Therefore stereo center is equal to 2 raised to n, n is equal to 1, 2 raised to n, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. Now if we can have a system like that, here CH3, CH, double bond CH, ring, 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 CS double bond CH and CH3. Yes, it is also a Spiro compound. Number of ring is 3. Number of ring is 3, odd number. Therefore, you can say that this Spiro system shows the GI and it is a stereo center. This Spiro center shows the GI and this system shows the GI. It is the stereo center. Second stereo center is there because pi bond and 2 different valencies, H and CH3, here H and this, and H and H. Here H and this system, H and CH3, this is also stereo center. We can have 3 stereo centers. Compound is symmetrical because if we can cut from the middle, we can have 2 equal parts. Compound is symmetrical. If we can cut from the center, we can have 2 equal parts. Symmetrical and number of stereo center is 3. Therefore, P is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Therefore, 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Number of GI is equal to n minus 1. 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to p minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 3 minus 1 plus 2 raised to 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 1. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Very clear. Now, if we can think about this system, very important, tick, mark it. CH2, double bond C, double bond C, double bond C, H, CH, double bond CH, Cl. Yes, it is alene. This system is alene. Means that if we can calculate the number of bonds, double bonds, it is 3, odd number. People think that odd number of double bonds in alene shows the GI, but second condition does not fulfill. What is the second condition? It is C, H, and H. Both atom are same. Therefore, aerial distance is same in all case. Clear? From the point of view of double bond, this alene shows the GI. But here carbon have a 2 same group or 2 same atom. Therefore, aerial distance is same. Therefore, this system or this alene does not shows the GI because of the same atoms on a carbon. Clear? Next, CH double bond CHCl. It is 2 different, H and Cl, H and this. Therefore, this is a stereo center. If you can check the symmetry, it is unsymmetrical. Very easily we can see that. Unsymmetrical, number of stereo center 1, number of GI is equal to 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. Mitro. Next, we can have an example like that. 6-membered ring, here CH3, here CH double bond CH, CH3, 6-membered ring, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. It is sp3 hybridized substituted carbon. It is also sp3 hybridized substituted carbon. We can say that this ring shows the GI, cycloalkane. Clear? This ring shows the GI because groups containing carbons are in sp3 hybridization. Therefore, this cyclic system shows the GI. Now we can check the second possibility. Second possibility is that CH double bond CH, CH3. This double bond also shows the GI. Therefore, it is the first stereocenter, which is cycloalkane ring. Second stereocenter is this double bond. Therefore, you can say that yes, compound is unsymmetrical. Compound is unsymmetrical. We can say that because if we can cut from halves or this side, we cannot have two equal parts. Stereocenter n is equal to 2. Stereocenter n is equal to 2. Therefore, number of GI is equal to 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Clear? Next example is like that. 6-membered cyclic ring. Here double bond CH, double bond C, Cl and NO2. If you can think the GI with respect to cyclic ring or cycloalkane, it does not show the GI. This system does not show the GI because of the sp2 hybridization. We know that in cycloalkane groups have carbon have a groups, and this carbon is in a sp3 hybridization. Therefore, it shows the GI. જે સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન ધરાવતો હોય, જે ગ્રુપ ધરાવતો હોય એ કાર્બન sp3 માં હોવો જોઈએ. અત્યારે sp2 માં છે, GI શો કરશે નહીં. Now, if we can think about this double bond, therefore it shows the GI because this is two different groups, and hydrogen and this are also two different groups. Compound is unsymmetrical, obviously. Unsymmetrical compound, stereocenter n is equal to 1 because cycle is not a stereocenter now. Therefore, number of GI is equal to 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. Very simple. Clear? Now, if we can think about this compound, cyclic ring, CH double bond CHBr, CH double bond CHCl. Compound is unsymmetrical because if you can cut from the half, there is two different parts because here a Br and here a Cl. If here is Br, then compound is symmetrical. જો આપણે અહીંયા Br આપ્યું હોત Cl ની જગ્યાએ તો compound symmetrical થઈ જાત, પણ અત્યારે Cl છે, compound unsymmetrical છે. Now we can calculate the number of stereocenter. Ring is a stereocenter because it is sp3 hybridized and it is also sp3 hybridized. Therefore, the ring shows the GI. Second stereocenter is here because pi bond and two different groups. Pi bond and two different groups because one is H and second one is Br. Pi bond and two different groups, therefore it shows the GI. Number of total stereocenter is 3. One is ring, 2 and 3. Therefore, number of stereocenter is equal to 3. Unsymmetrical માટે formula है, number of GI is equal to 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Now, we can think about that. Remember, all cyclic system does not explain with formula. All cyclic system does not explain with formula. Some cyclic system are there in which we can apply the formula, the answer is wrong, which is called special case, and we can have some special case here in which we cannot apply the formula. First special case is 1, 2, 3 trichlorocyclopropane. 1, 2, 3 trichlorocyclopropane. 1, 2, 3 trichlorocyclopropane. If you can draw the formula, it is like that. And here we can expand it. It is HCl. H and Cl. H and Cl. Yes, this H and Cl are denoted like that. One is in dash form, one is in a wedge form. Clear? Here also like that, but we cannot draw here and here. Here also a wedge and dash. Here also a wedge and dash, but we cannot write here. Means that this is the actual geometrical structure of 1, 2, 3. One is H, second one is Cl, H and Cl, whatever. 1, 2, 3 trichlorocyclopropane. Now we can think about the number of GIs. If we can apply the formula, answer is wrong. Therefore, we can draw the structures. First possible structure is that all chlorines are in a wedge form. All hydrogens are in a dash form, but we cannot write here. We can write the only and only chlorines. All chlorines are in a wedge form. Therefore, it is upside, it is also upside, and it is also upside. Therefore, it is cis form, it is also a cis form, it is also a cis form. Therefore, the compound is cis, cis and cis geometry. Clear? We can understand this wedge and dash in the last lectures. If wedge and wedge are there, therefore this is geometry. Wedge and wedge cis, wedge and wedge cis. Clear? Now, second possibility is that all chlorines are in a dash form. Yes or no? Therefore, all chlorines are in a dash form. First possibility is that cis form, second is also a cis, and third is also a cis. Geometry of this compound is also a cis, cis and cis. Therefore, you can say that these two compounds are equal. In that, all chlorines are upside from the ring. In that, all chlorine are downside from the ring. Therefore, it is also a cis, 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 and it is also a cis, cis, cis. Therefore, these two compounds are not different. It is same from the point of view of geometry. Clear? Second possibility which we can think, only one chlorine is in a dash, two are in a wedge. Two chlorines are in a wedge. Therefore, this and these are trans because wedge and dash. These are also a trans because wedge and dash, and these two forms are in a cis because wedge and wedge. And only we can have second or third possibilities like that. Two chlorines are in a dash and one in wedge. One in wedge. Here cis form, here trans form because wedge and dash, here also a trans form. If you can check the geometry, then for it is, if you can check the geometry, it is cis trans trans. Cis trans trans. Cis trans trans. It is also a cis trans trans. Therefore, you can also say that these two compounds are also equal or same. Therefore, number of GI is equal to 2. First one is this or this. Second one is this or this. Clear? Therefore, total number of GI is equal to 2. It is a special case. Clear? If you can have a cis system, it is same. If you can have a trans system, it is same. If you can have a cis trans, it is same. If you can have a trans cis or trans cis, therefore these two compounds are same with respect to the geometrical arrangement or GI. And last special case we can discuss here is 1,2,3,4 tetrachlorocyclobutane. 1,2,3,4 tetrachlorocyclobutane. It is a cyclobutane ring, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All conditions have a substitution is chlorine. Clear? We can think about the possibilities. Now we cannot apply the formula because it is a special case. First, we can think that all chlorines are upside from the plane. All chlorines are upside from the plane. Or second possibility which we can think here is all chlorines are downside from the plane. If you can think about all are upside, therefore it is cis because up and up. Cis and cis geometry. Yes or no? Now if you can think about that, downside, down, in this up, down, cis form, down, cis form, down, cis form. These two compounds are same. These two compounds are same because both have same geometrical arrangements, cis and cis. Clear? These two compounds are same. Now we can have 4 chlorines. From these 4, 3 are arranged in upside and 1 is arranged in downside. This is the possibility. Means that 4 માંથી 3 ને આપણે અપસાઇડ રાખ્યા, એકને ડાઉનસાઇડ લઈ ગયા. પહેલામાં આપણે બધા અપસાઇડ રાખ્યા, બીજામાં આપણે બધામાં ડાઉનસાઇડ રાખ્યા, પણ બે સેમ કમ્પાઉન્ડ થઈ ગયા બાય ચાન્સ. હવે આપણે એક પોસિબિલિટી એવી વિચારી કે 3 ક્લોરીન અપસાઇડ, 1 ક્લોરીન ડાઉનસાઇડ. Now we can check the geometry. Cis trans because up down. It is also trans because up down. Clear? Now second possibility is that અત્યારે આપણે શું કર્યું, 3 ઉપર રાખ્યા, 1 નીચે લઈ ગયા. હવે આપણે શું કરીએ તો કે 1 જ ઉપર લઈએ અને 3 ને નીચે લઈ જાય. ક્લિયર? Therefore up down. It is trans because down up. It is trans up down. It is cis because down and down. It is also a cis, down and down. Therefore symmetry is trans cis. Trans cis. Compound is symmetrical. Trans cis. Trans cis. These two compounds are same. We can say that it is only one compound. It is also only one compound. Therefore these two are the isomer. It is one isomer. It is second isomer. This is same as this. This is same as this. One isomer. It is second isomer. Clear? Now third or fourth possibility which we can think is 2 is upside, 2 is downside. 2 is upside, 2 is downside. Therefore geometry is trans cis, trans, cis means trans, cis, trans, cis, which is different from that and that forms. Therefore, it is a different isomer. It is a third one isomer. Clear? And last possibility is upside, downside, upside, downside. We can arrange the chlorines in sequence of up, down, up, down. Clear? Upside, downside, upside, downside. It is trans because up and down. It is trans, down and up. It is also a trans because up and down. It is also a trans because down and up. Therefore, the geometry is trans, trans, trans and trans. It is a fourth isomer because trans, trans, trans is different from that, that and that. Therefore, you can say that 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrachlorocyclobutanes have 4 cyclic isomer. 4 geometrical isomer. Sorry, 4 geometrical isomer. Therefore, here we can complete the geometrical isomerism. Here we can complete the geometrical isomerism. In next lecture, we can start the another type of isomerism, which is optical isomerism.